Okay, page 8. You're now at the point where you're playing real songs, not exercises to get used to moving the fingers and stuff. Number 10, count it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. Do it again, but this time say the names of the notes. As you say the names of the notes, do fingering. Make sure your left hand is on top. Note names with the fingerings. 2, ready, go. G, 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 A, B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G, B, A, G. There you go. If you had trouble with any of that, rewind it and do it over again until it's easy. Now play it. 1, 2, ready, go. There you go. Repeat it over again. Play it over again until it's easy to play.